Hi everyone, and special hello to you that's watching this video. Today I actually want to just show you something quickly, something totally different. I said I want to start to make clothes for the family now, before I carry on with the house, because like the children don't have any clothes except the clothes I came with, and I want all of the family members to have some clothes now at least. So I just want to do something different than the house for a bit. And so yeah, so I'm going to show you this. I bought all this. It's buffs. We call it buffs. And they use it for masks, for protection against this virus. It's just a slope you put around your neck, and you put it over your nose and your mouth. But for protection, but believe me, there's not really protection in this. It's really too small, but it's ideal to make Barbie clothes with, because what the nice about it is it's really nice and stretchy, and it doesn't fray at the end, so you don't even have to really worry about hemming the clothes you make. So, and yeah, I went crazy. I bought some of them, and then I some buffs, and then I went back and I bought some more. So yeah, because I couldn't help resist all the different colors and the patterns. It's just beautiful. I mean, look like this, all this beautiful. I tried to make it to a small scale, on small patterns that I can use for the Barbies. I don't want too big, like it must be too big a scale for them. Some of them I don't really think there is, like, but look at this one, it's purple. Oh, I've got another purple one. I know what I love my purple, so yeah, it's beautiful. There's another one that's actually beautiful. Look, this beautiful, nice, like a nice dress for mom. So got all this different. This one is a big scale, but I love the orange and the blue together. So I thought of, now I'm definitely going to, somewhere I'm going to find the smallest spot or something, and make a mama dress or something out of this. But this is maybe out for the summer. My actual idea is to make them, because it's winter here by us now, to make them at least one outfit is for each family member, but a winter outfit, because like I said, it's winter here by us now. So I'm going to use, like, this is beautiful. I like this for that, maybe for a shirt, but I won't if I use this for that, I won't use it for this boy as well. And for instance, this one is also beautiful, but if I make a dress for mom, I want to make something for the two daughters. I don't want to have the same children, the same family. That's why I bought so many, so they can have different clothes. This one has nice pictures, because some of them are a bit big, but what I like, okay, although it's also pink, I like the little motorcycle, bike on the picture. So that's actually perfect for the boy, for a shirt or something. At least the background is brown, so it's something for the boy. And or maybe, you know what I think about now, even like a hoodie, and this is on the back, something like that. But yeah, this one is like a nice color. This is the thickest one, so I thought of making a nice hoodie or something for that. Because it's nice and it's thick. It's the thickest one you get. Like this one, for instance, okay, it's got a little real ugly picture. I don't want to show that really, but it's most of the thing is black, so this is actually perfect for any one of the family members, like for the mum, also for tights, or even for shirts. That's why I just bought it for most of them. It's black, so you can use it in different. I mean, like maybe like a nice shirt for mom with black pants or something like that, you see. Like for instance, this one is got different patterns. So like that side I can use for dad, for a shirt. Maybe this pink here for the baby. Yeah, like this maybe for mom or the teenage daughter. Oh, and this, yeah, this will be perfect for a little boy, for a shirt. The stripes here. So yeah, so many. I've got in packets as well. This is also perfect for maybe for dad or something. And but it's the same. All this in the packet. This yellow, I immediately saw the little boy when I saw this yellow. There is some kind of writing on it. Be tenacious, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, for instance, this one as well got a word on it. So you can use this maybe as a t-shirt for the little boy, or anything. So many, so different. But look, this beautiful one here with the little flowers. Oh, there's a little bunny as well. So this was perfect for the little baby, because I don't have so much material or pattern here really for the baby. Now I want to show something else. I also bought, this was about 15 bucks for 15 rand for one, and I bought this. This is also a secret socks. And also all these different beautiful patterns that you can use. This is for, like, you can use this for one of the men, and I bought this one especially for the little boy because of the S for Superman. So I'm definitely thinking of making a long sleeve shirt out of this one. So I'm definitely going to use this for the boy. And it's nice, but this is one that's open, so it's nice and it's thin. That's why I like it. So it's actually perfect for the Barbie because it's thin. And this was also just 15 rand. And you can use that for either the neck side or the bottom side, because maybe you're going to have to put your hem in this. I don't know if that will fray. This side here is actually perfect for the top side, like to cut out for the neck and put the sleeves on or something like that. Although when I opened it afterwards, I saw, okay, the back side is white. All of them, even this dark little one, it's in the back side is white. But that's not a problem. At least there's two. So if you make bigger projects, you can just put it together there, and then you can use it like that. And then this side you can use, like, for instance, for the baby, for a vest for the baby, and socks for the whole family, and even like just a white t-shirt. And if you want to, you can paint some picture on it, or put sequins or something on that. So there's many use for this, for the back side here, for all this. And then I put something else here. Oh yeah, this is a disposable face masks. I'm going to use this to make nappies for the baby. Definitely this is perfect for nappies for the little baby. Oh yeah, this I found this some more my stuff, but I love the pictures, the little Peppa Pig. I'm definitely going to make something for the baby out of this, like a little, maybe, okay, that's will be for some little summer dress. So I've decided I'm going to start with the youngest member of the family first, which is a little baby. So I'm going to start by her first, and I'm going to make like I said, at least one outfit. See how it goes. Otherwise, maybe at least 2 outfits. I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to start with the baby first. So in my next video, you will see. So I will now start showing. I've got my cameras and everything nicely set up now. And I will show you now her videos of how I'm making stuff. I just learned to work cleaner around me. So yeah, at least you can just see the space here. You don't see what's outside, what's going on outside of this space. So yeah, but please, if you like my videos and if you want to see more, just give it a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more. Push that subscribe button somewhere here on one of the corners here. And yeah, please share this videos to anyone you think would like to see something about Barbie dolls, and or a nice retirement hobby for granny, because yeah, it's something I really love doing. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.